We're going to start fresh here. Say you have a black and white design from somewhere else that you want to bring in. A lot of people go into Cricut and they pay for stuff, but like I said, I don't know, cheap, not about that, whatever. There are a lot of places that you can just get black and white designs from. You just need an image that's black and white. So all you have to do is go to upload, and you can click upload image, and you can actually search from off of your machine. I have already downloaded ahead of time a picture of a roller skate. This is a PNG image, so it has a clear background. I'm able to just go ahead and say, you know what, this is a simple design. Hit continue. I'm able to say, yeah, that looks good, apply and continue. And this is going to be a cut image, something I might cut out like a sticker. So I'm going to click on that and say upload, and then I'm actually done. Like the design was already ready to go. I just had to upload it, and I can click on it and add it to my canvas. So ta-da, I can cut that out. It's a sticker, it's an iron-on transfer, whatever. Very, very easy. All right, let's take a look at what happens if you go to upload a picture that does not have a transparent background, which honestly is probably more common than not. So let's go into upload image and browse. And this time I'm going to open my roller skate that has a white background. It doesn't have that lovely checkerboard background that indicates a transparent background. So I'm going to still go to simple, and I'm going to hit continue. And it doesn't look good right now. But here's the thing, Cricut Design Space has this automatic tool. So if you look on the side here, it kind of shows you like right now, this is the background remover. All I have to do is just click in this background, and it removed everything that was white. So anything that was connected, it went in and removed. You can see it didn't remove right here because it's gray. Click, 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 click. And all of a sudden, like, okay, there's my design with the clear background. So still very, very easy, just like before. So having just a solid black and white design, not difficult. You can see it looks just as good. Now, sometimes, especially if you're working with students, they have trouble figuring out how this like positive negative space works when you're cutting something like a sticker. So I just want to show you briefly what happens if you upload something that's not like a solid black and white design and how Cricut reads it. So here's another roller skate, but this time it's in like all different colors. So if I hit simple like this and I hit continue, I can still click in the background and go to remove it, but you'll notice like I still have all my colors here. So you're like, okay, cool, I have no background. Let's hit apply and continue. This is what happens. So anything that's left, your positive space, so any of your shapes, they will become like a solid, if assuming you're doing just a cutout design like this, because we're working real simple here, you will get like the silhouette of that design. Just the outline of it. Be really aware of that when you're working. When I work with students, we always design in just high contrast, positive, negative, and sometimes that's difficult for them to understand how that works, that you don't want to use color images. You really just want to stick to like a high contrast black and white to do that. Once you have something that you like, let's bring our roller skate back up again. All you need to do is figure out the size that you want. So you can see right now, this comes out to be like 7 inches by 7 inches. Maybe that's okay. It's pretty big. So if I just wanted something that was like a smaller sticker for my laptop or something, I'm probably going to go with like 3 by 3 or smaller. If I wanted to do something that was more like a t-shirt heat press that was a roller skate, I might go with the 7 by 7. So it is important to take out a ruler and measure your object in space, in real life, to see what you want.